Hi everyone, this is Miss Isa. I work for the Greater Valley YMCA, and today we're going to be doing just like a greeting card, a frog inside, okay? And it could be really easy to make, especially for like those kids that love to do crafts, work with glue, scissors, stuff like that. For this project, we're gonna need scissors, glue, paper, 2 sheets of paper, and a coloring tools. It could be markers, it could be crayons, it could be color pencils, paint, whatever you need, okay? And the first step to do this greeting card is to have the 2 sheets of paper and then bend them the shoulder, okay? So it's kind of like a booklet. We're going to set one piece of paper aside, and then the other one we're going to work on. We're going to fold this halfway, but not all the way. We're going to fold, say halfway, almost halfway, and then halfway there. Okay? Make sure that you really mark that. So you can see it's just right there. Now fold it the other way too, so you can actually see it. And then you're going to cut that line to where you stop folding it. So we're going to cut to that line that you folded. Just that way. Okay. Now make sure that we fold this piece, one of the pieces down. So kind of like a triangle. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. And then make sure you fold it the other way too. Then you do the same thing with the top one. Okay, I noticed that this part is going to be a little bigger than what it usually is supposed to be, but it's okay. So, you see there's like a triangle thing. You should have a diamond in the middle. Okay. And whichever way, like I'm gonna glue this side to this side. I want this piece to go in. So I'm gonna bend it in. And that's why it's important that when you're folding the triangles one way or another, you mark the lines. So basically, you're pushing this triangle inside. Okay, and then you do the other one too. Okay, so that comes in. See, 3D. So now you're gonna glue only the outside part, not the middle. So otherwise, the front part is not gonna open. And you'll see why. Okay. So let's glue that outside. Now this glue is not the liquid glue, so I have to hurry up before it dries. So I'm going to do one side first and then the other one. Make sure you align them to the best you can. No, that's okay. Okay. It's a little bit wrinkly, but it will do. Now you do the other side. Excuse me. So you just glue this outer side. Okay, so it's glued, the two pieces. As you can see, it's a pop-up card. Okay, so I'm gonna do a frog. That's the one that I know how to make. But basically, this is the mouth. So whatever animal that you want to draw, you're more than welcome to do it. But I'm gonna draw an ant like a frog. So I'm gonna do the eyes up at the top. So I'm gonna do big bulging eyes. Okay, can you see it? Now I'm gonna do the body. So this is the body. You see, when you fold it, it opens up its mouth. So I'm gonna fill in the whole entire body with color, and I'll show you. So this is what it looks like, and sorry, you can, if you're coloring really fast, you can color on the inside, but just try to be color slowly, you know. This is what it looks like. You can actually try to color a tongue like that, or we're gonna do a pop-up one, okay? And for that, we do need another sheet of paper. And it's just a simple line. You can do a really, really, really simple line. Color it in yellow. And this is just extra detail, so that's why I did not add this to the material. So let's just color that and cut it. Okay, so there's that. And color it back too. So you want to fold it like an accordion. Make sure that if you're coloring with marker, front and back, to let it dry. Otherwise, the paper is really going to be really, really, really wet. Okay, only like that. It's a little wet. And then glue this onto. You glue it onto the inside, and then when you close it, it's gonna open up like a pop-up tongue. And when frogs are actually catching the fly, and then, so you can actually draw the fly there. And like I said, this is just optional. Or you can just leave the pink, leave it like that, pink tongue. So you can draw, have your kids draw something in the front and the back with their names on, or if it's a birthday card, just a happy birthday, help them spell out, and you can actually continue drawing around the frog. And I like this quote, which I decided to write: every journey begins with a single hop. So I hope you enjoyed this card as much as I did, and I look look forward to seeing you again.